Demonstration of the CRANDDI blender and how quiet it is. I filled this with ice, and I want to say that this is a very quiet blender. It's what I was looking for. I spent hours looking for one, and what helped me was the video, so I thought I would make a video as well. There's a lot of ice in here because I already did one video, but I couldn't get it to load very quickly. So here we go. First of all, there is a cover that holds it, doesn't hold it, but keeps it quiet. So, and then the buttons are on, off, puree, and then these buttons increase the how much you want to blend it or how fast. I think. I'm not sure. I don't know how blenders work 100%. So anyway, so you put that together, and oh, it also comes with this masher or whatever, and you open this up and you open the lid, and then you can, like, you know, that sort of thing. And it also comes with a cup so you can put your smoothie in it. Not something I needed, but a nice surprise. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on and we'll see how quiet it is. Now I'm going to puree it. Obviously, okay, so you may be thinking, is that quiet enough? So I'm going to open this and we're going to blend it without the cover so you can hear how loud it could be. So clearly the cover really helps. And I had more ice in there, so that had already been blended, so that's what it sounds like. Obviously it's a little louder when you do the puree, but still it's quiet enough to work in your apartment. That's what I needed because I wake up at 5 a.m. and I want to make a smoothie, and up till now I have not been able to because, out of respect for my apartment mates, I needed a quiet blender. So I hope this helped you, and bye.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I just pulse it into it. Okay, wow, I think I did it. I think it did it, babe. Oh, wow. Yeah, it did it except for those little ones in there. But it did it once you just pulse it.